In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show open interest on TradingView. Before we start, here's a quick overview. Open interest measures the total number of active contracts in a futures or derivatives market. It's useful for understanding participation and conviction behind price moves. Rising open interest alongside price can suggest strengthening trends, while falling open interest might signal fading momentum. With that context, let's get it displayed cleanly on your chart. First, open any chart on TradingView. At the top left of the chart window, click on the Indicators button. In the search bar that appears, type Open Interest. You'll see options related to open interest appear in the list. Select the one that matches your needs. After you add it, you'll notice an extra pane appear below your price chart, or sometimes an overlay depending on the version you choose. That pane is where the open interest data will populate. If you don't immediately see data, that's expected, because open interest is only available on symbols and exchanges that actually provide it. That brings us to the key step. Change the symbol on your chart to one that supports open interest. Open interest is commonly available for futures contracts and many crypto perpetual futures, but not for most spot markets or all equities. Use the symbol search at the top of the chart to switch to a supported futures contract or a derivatives pair from an exchange that supplies open interest data. Once you pick a compatible symbol, the open interest line or histogram should populate automatically in the indicator pane. If the pane still shows no data, it usually means one of two things. Either the symbol you selected doesn't publish open interest to TradingView, or the dataset is not available on the time frame or exchange you're viewing. In that case, try a different futures contract or a well-covered derivative symbol. Also remember that open interest updates come from the exchange, so the frequency of updates can differ from regular price data. A couple of simple tips can make the display easier to read. If your open interest is plotted in a separate scale, glance at the right-hand axis to interpret the values. If the line looks flat, switch to a higher time frame or a symbol with more active participation. And if you prefer a cleaner look, you can adjust the style or color through the indicator settings without changing how it works. That's all there is to it. Add the open interest indicator, switch your chart to a supported symbol, and you're ready to analyze participation alongside price.